Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about the product of the matrices and some properties. Now today we discuss about the remaining part of the topic. Now we give the example. If A not equal to 0, B not equal to 0, then show that AB is equal to 0 and BA not equal to 0. This is very important topic for examination point of view. Now take the examples, any two examples A and B. A is equal to, for suppose 1 0 0 1 or 0 0. B is equal to 0 0 1 0. Let you know very well product of AB is equal to 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. You know very well product row by column multiplication. 2 by 2 matrix means must and should. The matrix multiplication possible. Row by column 1 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 0 plus 0 0, 1 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0. This is called 0 matrix of order 2 by 2. Next BA. BA also possible because it is a square matrix of order 2 by 2. Now BA means 0 0 1 0. Next 1 0 0 0. Now observe what happened. 0 into 1 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 into 0 0 plus 0 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 0 into 0 0, 1 plus 0 means 1. Next this is also 0, this is not equal to 0. This is very important problem. We remember this one. Next topic, we will go to the next topic, that is transpose of a matrix. This is also one of the major topic in the matrices. Now transpose of a matrix. This is also a very simple topic. In this one also addition multiplication is possible. Transpose of a matrix. If A is any matrix, if A is any matrix, for suppose A is equal to, for suppose observe that Aij of order m by n. If A is a matrix of order m by n, m rows n columns. Now the transpose of the matrix A is obtained interchanging the rows by columns and vice versa. Rows by columns and vice versa. Means rows will be changed into columns, columns will be changed into the rows. Now take the example of this one. A is equal to, suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6. Of order how much? This is 2 by 3. What happened this one? The transpose of the matrix means interchanging the rows and columns. The transpose of the matrix A is denoted by A transpose or A dash, whatever may be. A transpose or A dash is equal interchange. This is the 1 2 3 is the row. The row will be changed into the column. That is 1 2 3. This is also row. Row will be changed into the column. Or column will be changed into the row. This is column 1 4 means row 1 4. Whatever may be. Now 2 by 3 means 3 by 2. This is the definition of the transpose of the matrix. What the definition of the transpose matrix means? A transpose of the matrix is obtained by interchanging the rows and columns and vice versa. That means columns by rows. Now A is equal to Aij of order m by n. Now A transpose must and should. What is the order of this one? A11. This is also A11, no problem at all. Next, but this is A12, but in this one A21, this one also suffix also changes. Aj of order n by m, where must and should Aij equal to Abi. Okay. For suppose in the square matrix A, for suppose one element order 1 comma 2, 1 by 2. In the A transpose must and should 2 by 1. In the square matrix, these two are equal. Aij is equal to Aji, 100%. That implies Aij is equal to Aji. A transpose is equal to A. Understand or not? Okay, this is called A transpose. How to do that? In this way. Now identity matrix, we will take the square matrix, identity matrix, the transpose is same. For suppose A is equal to 1 0 0 1. What about transpose? Transpose is also same. Transpose is also same. Okay. Now some properties about the transpose of the matrix. What are the properties of the transpose of the matrix? Simple. The first property is A plus A comma B are the any two matrices of A plus B means the summation means those two matrices have the same order. Any order, but the order is same. A plus B whole transpose or whole dash, whatever may be. A transpose plus B transpose. Next, second property, A transpose, whole transpose, again transpose. What happened? 100%. This is equal to A. Next, third one, for suppose A is the any matrix, K is a number, that is called scalar. Now K into A whole transpose is equal to K into A transpose. K is the scalar multiplication of the matrix. Yesterday I told that one. Next, now product AB whole transpose. AB whole transpose, what is the formula of that one? B transpose into A transpose. For suppose ABC whole transpose, that equals C transpose into B transpose into A transpose. Clearly observe that. C transpose into B transpose into A transpose. Understand or not? Okay. These are the main properties of the transpose of the matrix. Now we can take the example for the transpose of the matrix. For suppose A is equal to, what happened? Now A is equal to, if A is equal to -1 2 3 and B is equal to -2 -1 -4, -2 -1 -4, then verify that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Verify that. Means first we can find the LHS value and RHS value. Those values must and should equal. First of all, we do the A into B product after the transpose. What happened? First of all, AB possible or not means A into B. What is the order of this matrix? The order of this matrix is 3 by 1. What is the order of this matrix? This is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Now the product is possible 100%. Equal. Okay. In the first matrix, number of columns is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Therefore, matrix multiplication must be possible. Now, A into B. -1 2 3 into -2 -1 -4. What is about this one? Row by column multiplication. What happened? -1 into -2 means 2. -1 into -1 means 1. -1 into -4 means 4. Next, second row. -4, -2, -8. 3 into -2 -6, 3 into -1 -3, 3 into -4, that is -12. This is AB. Now, transpose of the matrix. AB whole transpose is equal to, transpose means interchange the rows by columns. 2 1 4 means 2 1 4, -4, -2, -8, -6, -3, -12. This is AB whole transpose. Now, B transpose into A transpose. We directly will do B transpose into A transpose. B transpose was what happened? Means transpose, that is 1 by 3 means 3 by 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 4. A transpose, this is 3 by 1 means 1 by 3, minus 1, 2, 3. Directly multiplication, minus 2 into minus 1 means 2, minus into minus plus, minus 2 into 2, minus 4, minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Next, minus into minus plus, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Minus 4 into minus 1, 4, minus 4 into 2, minus 8, minus 4 into 3, that equals minus 12. Now observe that these two matrices, 2 minus 4 minus 6, 1 minus 2 minus 3, 4 minus 8 minus 12. Both are equal. Therefore, AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Observe that. This type of questions, okay, will practice. Next one is in this one, most important topic is symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. What is the symmetric matrix? What is the skew symmetric matrix and their properties? That is a very, very important one. Now observe the differences. Symmetric matrix. Next one is skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. In this one, compulsory the matrix is a square matrix, not any matrix. For suppose A is the square matrix of order 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, whatever may be order. Okay, let A be the square matrix. Of order n. A be the square matrix of order n. What happened if A transpose is equal to A? If A transpose is equal to A, then the square matrix A is called the symmetric matrix. The matrix A is given, we will take the transpose, no change at all. That is called symmetric matrix. In the examination point of view, define the symmetric matrix, give the examples. What are the examples of the symmetric matrix? Observe that a diagonal matrix is the symmetric matrix, scalar matrix is the symmetric matrix, identity matrix is the symmetric matrix. For suppose you will take A transpose is equal to A, then the matrix A is called the symmetric matrix. For suppose example is A is equal, for suppose you will take the diagonal matrix. What is the diagonal matrix? A 0 0, 0 B 0, 0 0 C. Now we will take the transpose. A transpose is equal to. Now A transpose means interchange the rows by columns. A 0 0, 0 B 0, 0 0 C. Now both are equal. This is equal to A. Now the diagonal matrix is the symmetric matrix. In the examination point of view, A transpose is equal to A. Already I told that one. A transpose is equal to A, then A is called the symmetric matrix. Now in the examination point of view, observe that. For suppose the matrix A is given 1, 2, 0, whatever may be, 1, 2, 0, okay. 4, 3, 5, K, 0, KR minus 1, 2 is a symmetric matrix. Then find K. The 1 mark question or whatever may be 2 marks question also. It is a symmetric matrix, whatever may be, what is the matrix, no problem at all, clearly is given, is a symmetric matrix, then find K. Symmetric matrix, you know the definition, A transpose is equal to A. Directly, actually, A transpose is equal to A. Without doing the problem, okay, we will write the answer. Already, I told that when A transpose is equal to A means, what the definition means? Aij of order m by n. This is the matrix A, per suppose. Already I told that one. Now A transpose is equal to what meaning? Aj of order n by m. Interchange the rows and columns. In this one, must and should these are equal. Aij is equal to Aj. What about this? This is what is the order of this matrix? Per suppose. What is the order of matrix means? A A31. A31. Transpose means A13. A13, where is A13? First row, third column. What is the value of K? K value is 0. This is A31. A31 equal to A13. A13. A31 equal to A13. A13 means first row, third column. This is the answer. Otherwise, A transpose is equal to, do that one. A transpose means 1, 2, 0. Generally, 1, 2, 0. Next, 4, 3, 5. Next, K minus 1, 2 is equal to A. What is A? What is A means 1, 2, 0. 4, 3, 5. K minus 1, 2. K minus 1, 2. Transpose corresponding elements must, whatever may be, K value is equal to 0. Okay, understand? This is the symmetric matrix definition, example and property. Next one you have go to about the skew symmetric matrix. The skew symmetric matrix, A is the square matrix of order n. Now, if A transpose is equal to minus A transpose is equal to minus A, then the square matrix A is called skew symmetric matrix. A transpose is equal to minus A. How to write the example for the skew symmetric matrix? In the skew symmetric matrix, you remember one, all the principal diagonal elements must be equal to 0. All the principal diagonal elements must be equal to 0. 0, 0, 0. After that, in upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix, elements are same but different in the sign. For example, you will take here 1, 2, 3. Now, in the lower triangular matrix, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is the example. The example for the skew symmetric matrix. In a skew symmetric matrix, must and should, all the principal diagonal elements must be equal to 0. In upper triangular matrix, lower triangular matrix, the elements must be equal but different in the sign. That is the skew symmetric matrix. In the examination point of view, if A is equal to, suppose, 0, 2, 3, minus 2, 0, 4, minus 3, minus 4, K is a skew symmetric matrix, then find the value of K. What about the K value? Already I told before, the principal diagonal elements must be equal to 0. In a skew symmetric matrix, all the principal diagonal elements must be equal to 0. Means K value must be is equal to 0. Okay, next one. In the symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix, some more properties are there. If A is the square matrix, for suppose A is a square matrix, then A plus A transpose, A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. We have to show that one matrix is symmetric matrix or skew symmetric matrix. We have to show that one matrix is symmetric or skew symmetric matrix. First we will take the transpose of that given matrix. For suppose transpose of the given, for suppose this is P, transpose of that one, P transpose. Have to show that equal to P. P transpose equal to P means P is a symmetric matrix. For suppose P transpose equal to minus P means P is a skew symmetric matrix. Understand or not? Now you have to show that A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Means which one you have to show that symmetric matrix? First we will take the transpose of the given matrix. That is whatever may be symmetric or skew symmetric, you have to show that. First we will take the transpose, we will get the answer the same matrix, that is a symmetric matrix. We get the negative of the matrix, that is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Now for suppose let P is equal to P is equal to A plus A transpose. Now this P is the matrix. You have to show that P is a symmetric matrix. Any matrix you have to show that symmetric matrix means first we will take the transpose of that matrix. Now P transpose. Now P transpose means A plus A transpose whole transpose. P value is this one. Already this is A plus B whole transpose. Already we know the formula. A plus B whole transpose the formula. A transpose plus B transpose. Now apply the formula. This is A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose. Now this is A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose. You know that formula. A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. That equal plus A. This is nothing but the A plus A transpose means P. Therefore P transpose is equal to P. P transpose is equal to P means therefore P is symmetric matrix. P is symmetric matrix. P means nothing but the A plus A transpose. Therefore A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. Whatever may be, how to show that one matrix is symmetric matrix means first we can take the transpose of that matrix. After that we will do the steps, we will get the same matrix, that is symmetric matrix. We get the negative of the matrix, that is the skew symmetric matrix. For suppose next one, A plus A transpose symmetric matrix. Next one, for suppose A is a square matrix, A into A transpose or A transpose into A, whatever may be, A into A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Then show that. Okay. Any matrix have to show that either symmetric or skew symmetric. First we will take the transpose of the given matrix. First of all, let P is equal to A into A transpose. Now have to show that P is a symmetric matrix. Now transpose, first we will take the transpose of the matrix. Therefore P transpose is equal to A transpose whole transpose. Now you know the formula AB whole transpose. AB whole transpose formula, you know that B transpose into A transpose. Now B transpose, this is A, this is B, means A transpose whole transpose into A transpose by applying the formula. A transpose whole transpose, you know the formula, that is A, that equal A into A transpose. That equal A into A transpose means nothing but the P. P transpose equal means P is a symmetric matrix. What is P means? A into A transpose is a symmetric matrix. We will do the problems in this way. Okay. Next one, A is a square matrix, then show that A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Already before I told, how to show that any matrix is symmetric or skew symmetric. First we will take the transpose of that given matrix. What the given matrix means? A minus A transpose. Let P is equal to A minus A transpose. Now we will take the transpose. P transpose is equal to A minus A transpose whole transpose. Now A minus B whole transpose formula same. A minus B whole transpose means A transpose minus B transpose. No problem at all. Now A transpose minus A transpose whole transpose. That equal A transpose minus A transpose whole transpose means A. Now we will take in the common minus A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose is nothing but the P. This is P transpose is equal to minus P. Therefore P is a skew symmetric matrix. P is a skew symmetric matrix means A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Very, very important one. If A is a square matrix, then A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix, A minus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. The symmetric matrix is multiplied some scalar, there is no change in the symmetric and skew symmetric. Okay. Now, in the examination point of view, one question that is very, very important one. One question is very, very important one. What does that means? If the square matrix is given, the square matrix we will express it is the sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Inequally expressed as the sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. For suppose A be the square matrix. This square matrix will be expressed as the sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Already before we discuss, for suppose A be the square matrix, A be the square matrix, A be the square matrix, before we discussed it, A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix, A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix, 100%. Any doubt? No doubt at all. A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix, A minus A transpose is symmetric matrix. You know very well. What the question? One square matrix is given. That square matrix we will express it a sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric uniquely, means only one way. Now, for suppose you can observe that this is the A matrix. For suppose I will write A plus A transpose, this symmetric matrix, plus A minus A transpose. This is a skew symmetric matrix. This symmetric, you know very well, the square matrix can be expressed as symmetric and skew symmetric. Yeah, but these two are equal. A transport cancelled. A plus A, 2A. 2A is equal to A possible? Not possible. Now, the symmetric matrix multiplied with a scalar, no change at all. Now, this is off. This is off. What happened? Say yes or no? Right? A is equal to off into A plus A transpose plus off into A. This is called symmetric matrix. This is called skew symmetric matrix. Now, one matrix is given. Express the sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric means this is the formula. A is equal to half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose. First we find this value, after that this value. We will do one problem on that one. For suppose A is equal to minus 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1. A is equal to minus 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1. Can be uniquely expressed as sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. This matrix can be expressed as the sum of the symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Now you know that solution. We know that A is equal to half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose. Now first we can find the half into A plus A transpose. Next we can find the half into A minus A transpose. What happened? Now symmetric matrix. What is the symmetric matrix? Symmetric matrix that equal to 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose. Symmetric matrix 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose. A plus A transpose. Now you can find 1 by 2 into, what is the A value? A value is minus 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1 plus A transpose. Transpose you know very well. Minus 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1. Now half into adding minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 0 plus 1, 1. Next 2 plus 1, 3, 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 0, 1, 2 plus 3, 5, 1 plus 1, 2. Now multiplying with 1 by 2. This is the symmetric matrix. Now how can you find the skew symmetric matrix? Now skew symmetric matrix is equal to half into A minus A transpose half into, write down, minus 1 1 0 2 1 3 1 2 1 minus minus 1 2 1 1 1 2 0 3 1. Subtraction possible or not? Yes. Minus of minus plus, 1 plus 1 0, 1 minus 2 means minus 1, 0 plus 1 0, 0 minus 1 means minus 1, 2 minus 1 means 1, 1 minus 1 means 0, 3 minus 2 means 1, 1 plus 1 means 2, sorry, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 means 1, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 means minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 plus 1 0, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1, 3 minus 2 1, 1 minus 0 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1 minus. Now you write those values you will substitute here. This is very very important for 4 marks question type. One square matrix can be uniquely expressed as the sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Okay, today onwards, today this chapter matrices will be complete. We will do the exercise 3. Please complete the exercise 3 based on this one. Okay.